In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get subscribers in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. First things first, if you're not familiar with Beehiiv, it's a fantastic platform for building your mailing list and growing your audience. One of the most important aspects of using Beehiiv effectively is knowing how to attract and maintain subscribers. So, let's go through a few strategies you can implement to not only gain subscribers, but also to engage and retain them. One key approach is to create high-quality, valuable content. Whether you're sharing tips, insights, or entertaining stories, it's essential that what you're sharing resonates with your target audience. Start by identifying what your audience is interested in. You could do this by sending out surveys to your existing followers, or analyzing your past content to see what has performed well. Creating valuable content will make readers more inclined to sign up and stick around. Now, once you've got your content strategy in place, the next step is to create an enticing lead magnet. A lead magnet is basically an incentive you offer to potential subscribers in exchange for their email addresses. It could be a free ebook, a checklist, exclusive content, or anything else that adds value. Make sure that this lead magnet is tightly aligned with the interests of your target audience. Promote it prominently on your Beehiiv page and through your social media channels. The more appealing your lead magnet, the more subscribers you're likely to attract. Next, let's talk about the importance of a compelling sign-up page. Your sign-up page is essentially your first impression, so it needs to be visually appealing and easy to navigate. Keep it simple. Avoid overwhelming visitors with too much text or various options that might confuse them. You should have a clear call to action, encouraging visitors to enter their email addresses. Remember, less is often more when it comes to design and functionality. Now, creating regular content is wonderful, but promoting that content is just as crucial. Once you've published a new piece, share it across all your social media platforms. Platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram are great for this, as they allow you to reach out to a larger audience. When you link back to your Beehiiv page or your specific content, make sure to highlight the value your subscribers will receive. Also, engage with your followers, comments, and questions to create a sense of community, further encouraging subscription. Another effective strategy is collaborating with other creators or brands within your niche. By partnering, you can reach their audience and promote your Beehiiv page, widening your exposure. Co-host webinars, participate in joint giveaways, or even guest write on each other's platforms. The aim is to tap into someone else's subscriber base and present your content to a new audience who may find value in what you offer. Now, have you ever thought about using social proof as a tool to gain subscribers? Showcasing testimonials or success stories from your current subscribers can be a powerful motivator for potential new subscribers. Create a dedicated section on your Beehiiv page that highlights positive feedback or feature standout subscriber stories in your newsletters. People often look to others when making decisions, and social proof can greatly influence their willingness to subscribe. Lastly, don't forget the importance of consistency. Consistent engagement with your audience helps to build trust over time. Setting a regular schedule for your newsletters and sticking to it also ensures your existing subscribers anticipate your content. This not only strengthens your current relationship with your audience, but also increases the likelihood of them sharing your newsletter, which can lead to new subscribers. To wrap it up, there you have it. Creating valuable content, using lead magnets, having an engaging sign-up page, promoting effectively, collaborating with others, utilizing social proof, and maintaining consistency are all effective strategies for gaining subscribers on Beehiiv. Thanks for watching, and if you implement any of these tips, I'd love to hear how they work for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and until